PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Do I often make you practice this? I doubt this kind of strategy will make you play a short ball. Am I regularly practicing this plan? The third type. Flick, push, and play short. Chop long. As for where to chop, right on the 3 lines. Anywhere is fine. Is there anything else? There's also the incoming twist. Alright, got it. I've covered all of this. Let me serve you a hook shot. Serve me with your forehand. I just flicked one, right? Just pushed one, right? Does it resemble the previous drill we practiced? I want to inspire you. I just wanted to trick you. Here comes a long chop again. Another twist. Now a short play. Am I giving you a variety of shots? Chopping long and playing short. Flick, push, and twist. Have you got it all now? Just like the drill I had you practice earlier with multiple balls. You're not only practicing playing short, but also your initiation afterward, right? And added a hook shot. Relax a bit and lower your racket. Relax a bit and use a straight push. We used to have a term called stabbing. Just stab the ball down. Just needle. Haha. Oh, that feeling of stabbing down. Right, raise the ball. Sink down, sink deeply, fast and heavy at the same time. You can hear it all. You can hear the sound from the rubber. So you should feel like stabbing down. Then my thumb has to grip. It's over if my thumb grips. How come you still can't stab like this? This finger coordinates with this area. This area can be pressed against. Pressing against here is for coordination. If you grip, it's game over. Pressing against can coordinate with your index and middle fingers to stab out. He's flicking short when receiving the serve. Should I mix up the shots for him? There are possibilities for all kinds of shots. I flicked it at him again. Then he flicks it short, right? Did I flick it with side spin again? So with this variety of shots, is it quite similar, right? I've practiced his receive after flicking short, the initiation and adjustment. At the same time, what else did I practice? The routine after initiating a flick attack, because when flicking to the opponent's forehand, I have several ways to receive. Flick, push, chop, loop, what else? That's all, right? Oh, our footwork is different. Mine is with the left foot. This transition is incorrect. It's different. The transition is wrong. Maybe you chop with your right foot. Chairman Liu. Look at Liu go. He serves like this. He's like this. He uses his right foot. That's right, isn't it? He steps and shifts. Both legs are engaged. Initially, his weight is on both legs. When he gets ready, he squats down. Then he tosses the ball. His right foot rises, and as he strikes, his foot lands gracefully. Wow, right? Face downward, right? But how do others serve? The weight is here. Look, he pulls back as he tosses. That's the fake out. Right? And then finally, push down again. The weight must be on the left foot. Shift to the left foot, right? Should you return to neutral immediately? When you recover, should you return to neutral smoothly? I'll flick him. I'll push him to chase. Do you see it? I'll push him to chase. Sometimes when he sweeps on both sides, when I push, his movement is coming out. Because his forehand serve is short. When he serves with a little side spin. Are you waiting for me to flick your forehand? He will keep a close eye on you. I use my hand to hit his blind spot. Why do you see a push and then a chase? The reason is here. So you see our training plan is set like this.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.